Hi, you are welcome to today's class, and in today's class we'll be dealing with what problems from fractions. So we have a question on the board and we'll be solving it together. The question says that a drum can hold 2.5 liters of water when it is 3/4 full. How many liters of water can the drum hold when it is full? That's A, and B when it's 2/3 empty. So you have a drum. When it's 3/4 full, it is 2.5 liters. So we have to get the volume, that is, I have to get the capacity when it is full and when it is 2/3 empty. So I'm going to start with this. We are going to assume solution. So we are going to do some assumption that let be the full capacity of the drum. Let S be the full capacity of the drum, because we don't know the full capacity of the drum. So full capacity of the drum is X. Now, when it says that 3/4 full, that is 3/4 of our full capacity of X. This will represent our full capacity with X is what? 2.5 liters. 2 number 1/2 liter. Now remember that X is our full capacity. So 3/4, what is off? Off is times X over 1 equals to 2 number 1/2. I can take this 2 number 1/2, since it's a mixed fraction. I take to the problem fraction, I do 2 times 2, 4 plus, so that will be 5/2 liter. So we can multiply with this. What is 3 times S? 3 times S is 3x. What is 4 times 1? 4 equals to 5/2, right? So what's the next thing? The next thing is that we want to cross multiply. When we cross multiply, this will lead us to 3s times 2 equals to 4 times 5. What is 3s times 2? 3s times 2 is 6x. What is 4 times 5? 4 times 5 is 20. So we divide both sides with the coefficient of x, which is 6. Since we cancel 6, we are left with x. So how many 6 can you see in 20? I believe you know that. 6 times 3 is 18. So that will be 3. Remainder what? Remainder 2/6. So 20 divided by 6 is 3 whole number 2/6. You can reduce this fraction to 3 whole number. I believe that you know that 2 can go into 1. 2 can go into 1. So this is 2 can go into 3. So 3 whole number 1/3. So the full capacity of this drum is 3 whole number 1/3 liter. Now, look at the second question. The question says that you get the capacity of the drum when it is 2/3 empty. That's a very critical question. When it is what? 2/3 empty. Now, look at this one. If you have a drum, let's say this is our drum, it's divided into 3 parts. Now, 2/3 empty means that this part is empty, only 1/3 is filled. So what they're asking is that if it is 2/3 empty, that means that it is 1/3 full. So to get the capacity when it's 2/3 empty is to ask for when it is 1/3 full. Now we just work out the full capacity as 3/1/3 liter. All you need to just do 2/3 empty. 2/3 empty will be 1/3 times the full capacity, which is 3/1/3. And this will give us 1/3 times what is 3 times 3 9 plus 1. That will be 10/3, right? So we can do 1 times 10. That will be 1 times 10. What is 1 times 10? 1 times 10 is 10. That will be 10. And we'll have to clean this up. Sorry. Let me just take this line down. So what is 1 times 10? 1 times 10 is 10. And 3 times 3, that will be 9. So how many 9 can you see in 10? That will be 1 whole number, 1/9 liter. So when it is 2/3 empty, the capacity of the drum is 1 number, 1/9 liter. A student is learning about 8 liters. Bought 8 liters of palm oil. He bought 8 liters of palm oil. He used 2 over 1 over 4 liters of it. 2 over how much oil is left? I think this is straightforward. How much oil is left? You bought 8 liters, 8 liters of oil. You bought 8 liters of oil and used 2 over 1 over 4 liters. How much oil is left? To get the amount of oil or the volume of the capacity of oil left, all you need to do is just do your 8 liters minus 2 over 1 over 4 liters. That's the interpretation of the question. So how do you do this? Change this mixed fraction into equal fraction by do 4 times 2, 8 plus 1. That will be 9 over 4. And this will be 8 liters over 1. So you have like 8 liters over 1 minus. So what's the next thing? The next thing is that look for your SM. What's the SM of 1 over 4? That will be 4. So 1 in 4, that will be 4 times 8 minus 4 in 4, 1 times 9. So what is 4 times 8? 4 times 8 is 32. What is 1 times 9? That will be 9. Then you have over 4. So what is 32 minus 9? That will be 23. That will be 23. Over 4. Now, 4 can you see 23? That will be, how many 4 can you see in 23? That will be 5 whole number 3 over 4 later. 5 whole number 3 over 4 later. Because 4 can go 35 times, remember 3 all over 4. So that's how to solve that one. Now, Ibrahim spends 1/3 of his earning on food and 1/4 on clothes. He then saved the rest. He then saved the what? Then saved the rest. Now, our question is this. Our questions. What does he spend altogether? Be safe. Now we're going to deal with that first question. Ibrahim spends 1/3 of his earning on food and 1/4 on clothes. So he spent 1/3 and 1/4 on clothes. So to get the money, the amount he spends or the fraction he spends altogether, why don't you just add this one, the 1/3 that he spent on earning plus the 1/4 on clothes. You look for your SM. What's the SM of 3 and 4? That will be 12. 3 and 12, that will be 4. 4 times 1 plus 4 and 12, that will be 3. 3 times 1. And what is 4 times 1? That will be 4. Plus what's 3 times 1? That will be 3 over 12. 4 plus 6 was 7 over 12. 7 over 12. So that's it. He spent 7 over 12 of his earning. And the question B says that we should find the amount that Ibrahim was able to save. And to get that, we are going to assume that the total earning for Ibrahim, we are going to assume it as 1. So we assume that the total earning for Ibrahim is 1. So what we're going to do is that we are going to remove the amount, the fraction spent by Ibrahim on food and clothes. We already did that in when we answer question A. No, we calculated the amount is spent altogether, the one is spent on food and the one is spent on clothes, and we arrive at 7 over 12. So what we're going to do now is just that we're going to subtract 7 over 12 from 1. So 1 minus 7 over 12. The first step is for the SCM. The SCM will still be what? You see this 12. So put 1 in. 12, that will be 12. So you see 12 to multiply on the ratio. 12 times 1 is 12. Minus, what is 12 in 12? That will be 1. 1 times 7. So 12 minus 7, that will be 5. So Ibrahim was able to save 5 over 12 by 12 of his earnings. So we have come to the end of today's class. Remember to hit the subscribe button, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.